Last night, Howard Bill went on the air and yelled bullshit for 2 minutes, and we've got press coverage that you couldn't buy for $1 million. Did you see the overnights on the network news? It has an 8 in New York and a 9 in LA and a 27 share in both cities. And I can tell you right now, if we put Bill back on the air tonight, it'll get a 30 share at least. I think we've totally lucked into something. Yes, I think we should put Bill back on the air tonight and keep him on. Frank, that dumb show jumped 5 rating points in one night. We just increased our audience by 20 or 30 million people in one night. You won't get something like this dumped in your lap for the rest of your days, and you can't just piss it away. Howard Bill got up there last night and said how every American feels, that he's tired of the bullshit. He's articulating the popular rage. I want that show, Frank. I could turn that show into the biggest smash on television. I see Howard Bill as a latter-day prophet, a magnificent messianic figure, inveighing against the hypocrites of our times, a nightly Savonarola, Monday through Friday. I tell you, Frank, this could just go through the roof. And I'm talking about a $6 cost per 1,000 show. Do you want to figure out the revenues of a strip show that charges $100,000 a minute? One show like that could pull this whole network out of the hole. Now, Frank, it's being handed to us on a plate. Let's not blow it.